burrito company, bills, taxes. T-Rex Ranch, open right now. Wait, T-Rex Ranch open right now? T-Rex. T-Rex! Run! Go.
Yeah, Dino Dustin's gonna love this map I'm drawing of Park B. He's gonna love it, man. You're such a good artist. Love how I did this little, what is that actually there? What kind of dinosaur that is? Whoa, Park Ranger!
We have to get the mail immediately. I had the mail, and there was a T-Rex, and I dropped the mail, and then there was a letter that said urgent, and then a T-Rex came, and he scared me, and then I dropped the mail, and I zoomed up on my ATV.
Wait, slow down a second. So you went to get the mail?
Yes.
Okay, and there was a bunch of letters?
Yeah.
And there was a T-Rex?
Yeah.
And then you dropped the mail?
Yeah. So now we gotta go back and get it.
No. We can go back and get it some other time. We don't need the mail.
No. There was a letter that said urgent, open immediately.
Open immediately, urgent. I wonder what that could be.
Yeah, it could be something like bills or...
Bills.
Taxes.
Oh, taxes even worse. Okay. I tell you what. We'll go back up there and we'll check it. But you know what? But T-Rex is up there. I don't think we want to go up there and T-Rex is up there because we'll get eaten by, T-Rex come up and stomp on us.
It could be something super important.
Well, I tell you what, let's get the sleepy dart blasters and we'll just hike back up there. We can leave the ATV here, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Oh, hey, you forgot the small one here, Park Ranger.
Okay, quick, let's go.
I got the big one. I got this bad boy here, huh? Ooh,
Come on.
Okay.
Get going.
T-Rex, you out here anywhere? Yeah.
I don't want to find out.
We're coming for the mail, okay? You see T-Rex anywhere? All right, well, I don't see any sign of T-Rex yet.
There's the mailbox right up there.
Okay, yeah, I see. Okay, we're almost
Park
there.
Ranger Aaron?
What?
If T-Rex comes, can you stay behind for about 3 seconds and give me a 5-second head start?
5-second head start?
Yeah.
No, I'm not giving you a head start. You get a sleepy dart blaster there too, okay?
But then T-Rex will be more interested in you and I can escape.
Okay, I don't see any sign of T-Rex. Ooh, hey, look.
There's the mail.
Okay, there's the mail right there.
Okay, let's just gather it all up.
Oh, okay.
T-Rex Ranch open right now.
Oh, okay.
See?
T-Rex! Quick, get out of here! You forgot all the mail. Park Ranger will be there. Forgot the mail. Oh, that was a close one there, wasn't it? Okay, there's the mail you left behind. Where's this letter here, huh? T-Rex Ranch open right now. I wonder who it's from. Okay, here we go.
Who knows, it could be a year old.
You can check the mail in a year? All right, let's see. Dear Park Rangers, I are fine, thanks. I need some help, please. I have to guard my animals, so need a sleepy dart blaster. Send one quick. Despicable G!
What?
We haven't heard from Despicable G in forever! Hey, you sent us a letter.
It's been, what, a year?
Almost, yeah. It's not a very well-written letter. Wait a minute. Why did he send us a letter?
So there I was just standing there, minding my own business, not getting in anybody's way, and they just zapped me to modern times. Then I ended up working with these park rangers. They were all right and everything, but they give me these funny things like this.
You could have just called us on the walkie-talkie. Here, I'm gonna call him. Maybe he's actually paying attention this time here, okay?
Well, if it's not broken, well, more broken than it wasn't working anyway. I don't tell anybody about it. It works. It was just switched off the whole time and I thought it wasn't working.
Come in, Despicable G, you there?
So it's park rangers.
Yeah, come in, Despicable G, man, you there?
Yeah, what is it, park ranger?
He's there! He responded, awesome!
Oh.
Hey, Despicable G, man, we've been looking for you forever. Where have you been?
Yeah, well, you're not gonna believe this, but I was actually looking for you guys, and I came across this fella with the black coat on, and he just like zapped me away for no reason. Don't know why. Where did those guys go now? Park rangers, you out here?
There. These park rangers won't know what hit them with these new hybrid dinosaur eggs.
Park rangers. Oh, there's somebody with a nice black cloak on. Let me go and ask him.
There.
Hey, partner, you haven't seen... Oh, that's a good set of teeth you got there. Oh, you should give me some of those. You haven't seen those park rangers running around here, have you, by any chance?
No.
I've been looking for them all morning and they just seem to have disappeared. Oh, yeah, we're also looking for some other strange-looking individual with a black cloak and a mask or something. You haven't perhaps seen him?
No.
No? Oh, it just looks like everybody's disappeared.
Disappeared? Now
Yeah,
that's a good idea. Time for you to disappear.
Oh, okay.
Now, for me to disappear.
Oh, where am I? What is this place? Oh, look at that. It looks like I'm on some kind of animal farm. Well, that's all right.
Wow, that's some story, isn't it?
Yeah, I didn't know how to get back, so I just stayed here and started working at this park or farm.
Okay, so you're at an animal park, but where is the animal park? It seems like you've been gone forever, dude.
Well, I don't know where it is, but apparently the farm is called Africa.
Africa?
I didn't even know the walkie-talkies worked from house to house. Talk about Africa.
That's some serious range on this bad boy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so your walkie-talkie's still working. How come you sent us a letter instead of just calling us on the walkie-talkie, man?
Yeah.
The reason why I wrote the letter was to show you my new writing skills that I've been practicing. Yeah. Yeah.
Writing.
Writing skills? What? That's his writing skills?
Some is not spelled S-U-M, it's S-O-M-E.
Unless you're doing math, and obviously he's not doing any math.
Yeah, well, look, you need to send me one of those sleepy dart blasters of yours. I'm sure I saw that cloak fella wandering around here, and I don't want him to come messing around with things here.
He needs a blaster.
Blaster.
You know what? I know just the perfect one. Hey, I know just the perfect one, Despicable G. We found this blaster from the Old West. It looks like an old cowboy blaster, and we just upgraded it to the latest sleepy dart technology. We'll send it to you right away, okay?
Yeah, that sounds good. But hurry up and send it as soon as you can.
Okay, yeah, we'll send it to you right away, okay?
Yeah,
we'll zap it
yeah.
over. You'll have it in just a few minutes.
Wait, where is it?
Ooh, you know what? I left it in the outhouse.
Why is it in the outhouse?
Well, I had this idea the other day. Sometimes you could be sitting down, you know, taking care of business, and a dinosaur comes along and you need a blaster.
Why
So?
didn't you use the big fella like that?
Yeah, I
Or
thought it'd be
that?
cool to use
That's
the
a
old
big
cowboy
fella.
blaster instead of that. This wouldn't fit in there. You know, it's the perfect size, okay? So let's just grab our sleepy dart blasters. We'll head on over to the outhouse and grab it, okay?
Yep.
Let's go for it, dude.
Here we go, nice and easy.
Yeah. Just on a friendly little walk to the outhouse. No reason to pay any attention to us, T-Rex, huh? Did you hear that?
Yeah, I think I did.
Man, sound like T-Rex again. How's T-Rex like so close on our tails like that, you know?
I think he might be hunting us.
Hunting us? I don't think T-Rex is that smart. You know, he's not a raptor or anything.
I don't know about that. Last week he snuck up on me and he almost got me too.
But you know what? I think he smells our odor. Actually, I think he smells your foot odor.
My foot odor?
Yeah.
It's more like your armpit odor or your foot odor.
No, that's not my armpit odor. Hey, look. There's the outhouse right there, okay?
Here it is.
Let's go in and get it, okay? All right, count to 3.
Ah! Oh, I
Yeah.
thought I saw some wasps.
Okay, there it is right there. Guys, get it there. All right, yeah, there we
Got
go.
it. Oh, it's
All
all
right.
flimsy.
Oh, yeah.
It's
That's the one. It's all upgraded and ready. T-Rex, he's almost on us. Quick, we gotta get out here and get this back to Despicable G. Quick, hurry, run.
Oh,
Yeah. Okay, I don't think T-Rex is behind us, okay? Oh, you ready to zap it over to Despicable G then, huh?
Dino Zapper,
Here we go.
Look out, Park Ranger Aaron, or else you're gonna go to Africa.
Okay, you get that thing set to Africa?
Yep.
Okay.
Wait.
Fire it up. Okay, here we go. Go! Whoa!
Woohoo! There it goes, Africa.
What is that? Oh, wow. Look, that's the Sleepy Dot blaster coming. No, not there, not there. Oh, wow. The Sleepy Dot blaster landed right up in that great big pile of cow doo-doo.
Let's call him. Make sure he got it, okay?
Okay.
Okay, Despicable G, if you're there. Did you get it? Should be there now.
Yep, I got the blaster. Thank you very nice.
All right, he got it. Yeah, he's good to go at his new animal park. All right, let's get back to work.
Should have me a little bit of practice here just to refamiliarize myself with it. Hey, old man. I challenge you to a duel. Pop, pop, pop. I win, you snooze. You're already looking a bit dozy there. Whoa. Oh, come on, man. It was only a joke. Look, I'm putting it away. I'm putting it away. Oh, I just blasted my foot.